Creating a simple XML file using Python. What are my options if I want to create a simple XML file in Python? Library-wise, the XML I want looks like.
These days, the most popular, and very simple, option is the Elementary API, which has been included in the standard library since Python 2.5. The available options for that are Elementary, Basic, pure Python implementation of Elementary, part of the standard library since 2.5. Celementary, optimized C implementation of Elementary, also offered in the standard library since 2.5. Deprecated and folded into the regular Elementary as an automatic thing as of 3.3. LXML, based on libxml 2. Offers a rich superset of the Elementary API as well as path, CSS selectors, and more. Here's an example of how to generate your example document using the instlibs Elementary. I've tested it and it works, but I'm assuming whitespace isn't significant. If you need pretty print indentation, let me know and I'll look up how to do that. It may be an LXML specific option. I don't use the slib implementation much. For further reading, here are some useful links. API docs for the implementation in the Python standard library. Introductory tutorial, from the original author's site. LXML eTree tutorial, with example code for loading the best available option from all major Elementary implementations. As a final note, either Celementary or LXML should be fast enough for all your needs. Both are optimized C code, but in the event you're in a situation where you need to squeeze out every last bit of performance, the benchmarks on the LXML site indicate that LXML clearly wins for serializing, generating, XML. As a side effect of implementing proper parent traversal, LXML is a bit slower than Celementary for parsing.
The LXML library includes a very convenient syntax for XML generation, called the eFactory. Here's how I'd make the example you give. Output. It also supports adding to an already made node. For example, after the above you could say,
Yodig, this URL, or this URL, provides an interesting API to create such XML document, and also HTML documents. It's using Context Manager and with keyword. So you will get
For such a simple XML structure, you may not want to involve a full-blown XML module. Consider a string template for the simplest structures, or Jinja for something a little more complex. Jinja can handle looping over a list of data to produce the inner XML of your document list. That is a bit trickier with raw Python string templates. For a Jinja example, See my answer to a similar question. Here is an example of generating your XML with string templates. Output. The downer of the template approach is that you won't get escaping of is lower than and is greater than for free. I danced around that problem by pulling in a util from xml.sax.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.